Well, welcome back to the channel. Today it is Bug Wednesday and we are going to be cooking up some wasps. These things are still a little bit alive and coming back to life as they're warm. Just got them out of the freezer, so take their stand up like always. Try not to get stung. Just pull off that first little digit pretty much like that. Oof, that one's kind of wiggling. That's kind of scary. Boom, like that. And then now it's time to go cook them. Oh, they are going in now. They're not very happy looking. They are coming back to life, but here they go. Like always, some salt and pepper. Ooh, tasty. Look at that. Yumminess and abundance. I'll catch you when they're done. Getting them off now. Let me toss them over here. There's one. There's one. There we go. Well, here we have them. My oh so delicious little waspies. And well, let's see how they taste.
Ew.
Definitely overcooked. Not that bad. Definitely way better than larva. Larva was nasty. They're a little bit too shelly. But yeah, I want to cook those again. Yeah, well, there you go. I don't know what I'm going to cook next time, but I'll see you then. Subscribe for more.